Let's take a look at it. So from behind, there's a Predator logo here, which is really nice, but somehow when you have this lumbar support tied in, block the Predator word, but the logo is still very visible. It looks very neat, very nice. So if you look in front, you have a Predator logo here as well as the wordings. And this is the neck pillow, the lumbar support, which you can adjust by just pushing it up higher or lower. It's not a really flexible system. It's not a belt system, which I see a lot of people do, because this is somehow if you want it higher or lower, what you do is just, you know, by pushing it this way or pulling it, or there it goes higher. So if you want it lower, so just push it like that. Somehow it's not so flexible, yeah, but it works. Once it's there, then it stays. Okay, so this is how the design of the seat look like, and the material used is actually pretty soft, not bad. And the wings here, it's padded as well, so you don't feel the steel in there, the steel frame in there. This as well. And let's look at the steel frame here. You feel it? Yeah, sort of, yeah. But it's well padded as well. This as well. Well, if you ask me, is this a premium gaming chair? Well, I don't think so. So this is about the same quality that I bought earlier. I bought a chair which is around 800 ringgit, and yeah, this quality is about the same, yeah, in terms of the seat, yeah, in terms of the seat. But mine doesn't come with the lumbar support and doesn't come with this 4D armrest, but it's, yeah, let's talk about the 4D armrest. Yeah, the 4D armrest is actually pretty, yeah, wobbly, not really in the best shape. If you push this button, you can go back and forward, and if you push this button, you can actually go outwards or inwards, or just in the middle. And you also can swivel, yeah, to the left, to the right, yeah. And if you want to make it lower, then you have to adjust this part where you, yeah, push it up, and you can adjust it up and down. So let's talk about this part. Is it firm? It's not. Yeah, it's actually pretty soft, if you ask me. Yeah, for your elbow, it's actually quite nice. And let's talk about the lining. Yeah, it's almost perfect. There's no problem with it. The texture of the seat is good. So there you go. This is the chair that I got from Acer during the sales, their brand sales in Shopee. Got it for $699. Originally it's $1,299, but I do see a lot of people selling this at $899 and $799 in Shopee. So $699 is still the lowest I can find. Yeah. So if it's $1,299, I doubt anyone will buy this, because to me, I think this is somehow in the range of 7 to 800, yeah, kind of chair. But because if you get a 700 chair, you might not get a 4D armrest, yeah. Maybe you can just get a 3D or 2D. 4D meaning that you can get 4 directional. Yeah, you can turn this left and right, up and down, front and back. Yep. The other one that I got only comes with up and down, and you can only turn left and right. Yeah, but you can't go front and back like this. This can go front and back. And this is a steel base. You can just hear the sound, yeah. Nylon sounds like this. This is nylon. This should worth around yeah, 8 to 900, yeah, I would say, because of the steel base as well as this, which is different. Other than that, the branding, of course, you know, says a lot as well. Maybe that costs you another 50 ringgit, 100 ringgit, because of the embroidery. This is so big, you know, normally people just put one small logo here, so theirs is so big, so that, yeah, that makes it, you know, 8 to 900 ringgit type of chair. Let's try and turn it. This is how it looks like. I think it's pretty standard, but this is not the typical nylon one, because this is made of steel. This is the racing chair parts pack. Pretty nice, yeah. It comes with the logo. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, this is the material. There you go. This is just to tie on the back seat later on. And this is some sort of foam, but it's not memory foam, because if it's memory foam then it will slowly rise. This is just a foam. So this is the gas sleeve. Quite smooth. Yeah, pretty good. This is on the right side. Yeah, this is where you put the screws. Actually not bad, yeah. This is the part where you can adjust this so that you can, whether you can rock the chair or not. This is where you turn the lever and it will go up and go down. And it comes with a very basic assembly instructions. Yeah, this is how the seats looks like. Can't really see what's in there, how they do it. So as a conclusion, this chair, it's actually a very nice chair, yeah. For $699, I think it's worth the price, because normally I think people will have to buy this around 8 to 900 ringgit. So $699 with some coins back as well, worth of about 670 ringgit. So that's cost me about, you know, if you count coins back as money as well, then it's about 630 ringgit, which is a real bargain. And I do believe this chair is only available in several countries. I've seen this chair being reviewed in Philippines, and this being sold in Thailand as well. So, and Malaysia. I've not seen this chair being sold anywhere else. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.